I heard about you long before we met. You're winsome and you're young, at least that's what they said. Underneath your glitter and your gold, you can't deny the fact that you are growing old. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Someday I will leave you when I've had enough of your beauty. I haven't gotten used to your scent. I'm certain you have had another cigarette. Nothing could prepare me for your style. The way your laughter seemed to go for miles and miles. You have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Someday I will leave you when I've had enough of your beauty. Doopy-doop-boom-bo-ee-da-dum-ee-dum-ba-dum. Doopy-doop-boom-ba-dum-ba-dum-doo-dum. Doopy-doop-boom-bo-ee-da-dum-ee-dum-ba-dum. Doopy-doop-boom-ba-dum-ba-dum-doo-dum.
Must have been dreaming the whole damn time. Do you think of me when you close your eyes? 'Cause I don't see you in mine. Of broken love and an empty smile. The kind of love that makes you stay a while, that hangs you up to dry. Thought that this wouldn't hurt, but I'm down on my knees. Never expected the worst, but I'm starting to see. Maybe love is just tragedy, and you blame it all on me. Do what you want, just don't leave me here under the streetlights. Can we just compromise? Please, no apologies tonight. Nobody knows where we'll be by tomorrow.
Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday, everything's unstable. I was unprepared. The colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh, call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams, it's torture as it seems, but I miss you. Walk
very pretty. And walk around. Show that glorious. The eyes. This one. Oh, wow. Thank you.
left our names written in the sand. I didn't know that they would wash away so fast, and that note I left in your bed. You don't have to lie to me, I know it wasn't red. I left our names written in my heart. I didn't see that we were living worlds apart. I should have known from the start that getting love from you, it shouldn't be that hard. But baby, when I close my eyes, everything's alright. You love me too. Have 1,000 eyes that never fall asleep. Maybe I will never leave you when I'm in love with your beauty. Oh, for now you can rest easy. Oh, because for now, New York, you have a hold on me. Because for now, New York, you have a hold on me. Because for now, New York.
What do you think?
I don't know what to say about him.